Going back after walking, and today is the fourth day of daily vlogs, 3rd of Feb, and people are looking at me like crazy. Good morning. We're doing sometime. Bye bye. Waiting for Mishi's school admission in one school. A huge queue is waiting to get inside the school. Looking, he's all tensed. He has so much of headache, and for that we are already two batches have gone inside, and I don't know at what time he will be inside. It is going to be till 4 o'clock, and now it is 11. Mishi is in her school, and somebody will be picking her up from there. So I'm hoping to get seats for her in the school. So keep you all updated once anything happens. Hello everybody. So after coming from that particular school where we went for Mishi's admission, the process is like we need to take the form from the online, and we need to go and submit it over there. And it is actually for 2 days, the submission of the particular application. Later on, they'll be sending us a mail, or it may come through post, whether our kid is getting selected for that particular school or not. So, one thing I want to tell you, all, I don't know whether it happens in any other country, but what I have seen here in India, that nowadays, more than any other professional courses, or if anybody wants to study, I mean, spend so much in college, or for their and UG or for their PG, more than that, the season is like fees are so high, and the demand of school are so high for the pre-KG or LKG schools, or for their admissions. So last year we tried for a school which is very nearby, and it's a kind of famous school, but we didn't get. Okay, I still don't know what is the reason for that, because we just gave an application which just talks about the parents, and with that I don't know how can they know about the ward or the kid. And they're sending a letter saying that we are sorry, your kid is not what is it, your kid is not I don't remember the exact word. It just gave a meaning that the kid is not capable of getting into our school. So that is what they meant. But come on, without even knowing the kid's capability, how can you judge a kid just with their parents' information? So that's why I got so irritated. And after that, like, we are just trying to this school. This is one of the most uh, famous school, not only in Tamil Nadu or Chennai, but also all over the country. So I think that they are a little bit good than the previous school where we tried. And rest of the thing, hope for the best. Everything is in the hands of God. We are not trying for any reference or anything, because nowadays it is happening so much reference donation. Some of the school, they're literally asking you in up front, saying, okay, we have some building fund for about 2 lakhs. So they will never tell you that you have to pay a donation, because they cannot use that word. So this also happened with us, but we were so reluctant not to pay any money for any donation, which is not required. And as far as Mishi is concerned, if she has taken as on her talent base, then we feel that she will surely get a seat. That's what, being a parent, the level of confidence, that level of confidence I have with her. But nowadays the system is not like that. They are just taking the things. They are just doing the bifurcation, and with the parents' capability and how much they earn. Yeah, they had a question in the previous school. What I was talking about, they had a question of do you come by a two-wheeler, a car, or a van? Okay, I can understand it might be like to get to know, to make them understand like how many kids will be coming by van and everything. But sometimes it can either I mean give a kind of a negative side, okay? Because I didn't like that question. And even like they don't have the option for less than 2 lakh salary. So if people who have less than not less than 2 lakh, I don't remember, 3 lakh or something, so people who don't have less than 3 lakh or 2 lakh, they are not supposed to get admission in your school. What does it mean? But this school for which we applied today, they don't have anything like that. That is the reason I like this. To add one more thing, like because I told like the school which I have applied for Machina, it's one of the famous school. So I wanted to add one point, like I'm not so particular that she should go in a very famous school, but I wanted to like do the level best which I can do. Okay, so if she's not getting, it's not a problem, but I want to at least try, because if I won't try, then I feel somewhat guilty that I have not done anything for her, because I want to give her best whichever I can do. And not only me, all the parents will think whatever they are capable to do, the bestest they will try to do for their kids. That's what I feel. And what else? So that is what happened today. And like as I told you, after coming from that school, I came back to my sister-in-law's place and I helped her a little bit. Again, she started with her cranky attitude. So yeah, this is what happened. I pray that Mishi should get into this school or any other good school where she should be able to show her all capability. That's what I feel. So yes, I hope that this is not happening in any other country. If it does happen, then please let me know below in the comment box. Or in our own country, if that happens with any of you, any of the parents who are watching this, then please share your experience out here below in the comment box. So yes, that's it. So this was my day 4 vlog, which started again in the morning by my walk, and we went to Mishi's school work, and just now we came back. And that's it. I don't want to make it again so longer, because I will talk and there will be no full stop. So yes, keep you all updated, and please do keep on watching us and keep on loving us like this. If you haven't subscribed till now, then please do click onto that red color button down below, and please do like our videos if you really liked it, or else no issues, just share our videos. Okay then, bye bye, take care, love you all.